Hello, this is day 8 of a little reminder for all of us. Isa ka rin ba sa may manya na habit? Pag sinabing manya na habit, yung lagi mong sasabihin na, mamaya na, gagawin ko yun mamaya. Tapos ang ending, hindi mo rin naman ginawa. Or hindi mo na gagawin. Tandaan nyo to, malaking bagay na natutunan ko ngayong taon. At for me, effective naman siya. Kung merong isang bagay na kaya mong gawin within 2 minutes, gawin mo na siya agad-agad. Nung ganun yung naging mindset ko, mas marami na ako na-accomplish. Kahit hindi naman siya kayang gawin ng 2 minutes, nagagawa ko na siya agad-agad. So parang tinitweak mo lang yung sarili mo, yung utak mo, para mas iwasan yung manya na habit or yung mamaya na lang. Comment ka kung effective. See you tomorrow. Hi, this is day 9 of a little reminder for all of us. Remember that there are things that we can control and things that we cannot control. But for the things that we cannot control, we can change our mindset or perspective on how to respond to those things that we cannot control. Kasi kung hindi pa natin kayang baguhin, baka ang hinihingi ng panahon sa atin, tanggapin. Wala lang, minsan parang hirap lang din naman magtrabaho. Gusto na lang natin kumita ng pera nang hindi nahihirapan. Pero ang hinihingi ng panahon ngayon dapat natin ma-enjoy yung work at hindi laging magreklamo. Kasi at the end of the day, yung reklamo, hindi naman nagpapabago ng sitwasyon. Pero kung ayusin natin yung utak natin towards work, mas mainam. Kaya enjoy na lang. Hi, this is day 10 of a little reminder for all of us. Celebrate your small wins. Bago matapos yung taong 2024, ako ay obese. December 27, 2024, nagpa-check up ako. Ang weight ko ay 74 kg. And today, may follow-up check-up, January 25, 2025, which is 29 days ago. Ang timbang ko na lang ay 69 kg. So, nabawasan ako ng 5 kilo sa 29 days. At dahil dyan, i-reward ko yung sarili ko. Gusto kong bumili ng isang bagay para sa akin. Yun lang, celebrate your small wins. Kasi, deserve mo yun. See you tomorrow. Hi, ako nga pala si Nel, and this is day 11 of a little reminder for all of us. The only way to reach your goal is through actions. At katulad to nung kwento ko kahapon na nabawasan niya ako ng 5 kilos from 74, naging 69. Kasabay ng pagbaba ng timbang ko, ay pagbaba din ng cholesterol ko. Mataas yung cholesterol ko last month at ngayon, normal. So, na-achieve yun through actions. Plinano and then inaction. Or inact. Cliche man siyang pakinggan, wala. Yun lang yung only way to reach our goal, through actions. So, pag may plinano, dapat actionan. See you tomorrow. Hello, I'm Nel, and this is day 12 of a little reminder for all of us. Kung hindi mo alam yung aayusin mo or i-goal mo ngayong taong 2025, start with your health. Dapat healthy living na ngayong 2025. Drink a lot of water, avoid mo na yung soft drinks, magpapawis araw-araw, avoid toxic foods. Imagine meron kang clean body. Clean body will give you clear mind. Tapos, meron kang clarity sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Ngayong taon, alam mo yung gagawin mo kasi ayos ka. So, yun, start with your body. Be healthy as much as possible. See you tomorrow. Hi, this is day 13 of a little reminder for all of us. Alam mo, even though I'm in the midst of hustle, grind, or self-improvement, in all aspects of my life, I am still giving my full trust to the Lord, who gives me favor and grace. Sa bandang huli, apart from Him, we are nothing. We can do nothing. Para kapag natapos yung taong 2025, masasabi natin, it's not us. It is God who loves me. It is God who loves you too. So yun lang, yun yung little reminder ko. Pagkatiwala kay Lord lahat. See you tomorrow. Hi, this is day 14 of a little reminder for all of us. If you want something you've never had, you must do something you've never done. Kung gusto mo ng bagong bagay ngayong 2025, get out of your comfort zone. Do what scares you. Tiyak, mas nakaka-excite ang buhay ngayong 2025. Create a new habit. Create a new hobby. Create a new you. Sometimes we need to make opportunities because we can do it with a new habit. So yun lang. See you tomorrow.